All right, today we're putting on the outside visors for the driver's side and the passenger. That way on both sides, that way I can, at night, I can go ahead and I can crack the windows for air ventilation. Can't see. Oh, there it is. You gotta make sure you don't break this off. But like you said, that's a smarter way of doing it rather than touching it and then having to pull it off, touching it in, then pulling it off. Well, so in the little installation kit instructions, it did say about using a heat gun. At first we weren't going to, but we did notice, and we actually added a little extra tape in here. It really, as you can see, this piece really is not snug here. So it really wasn't a perfect fit. So this was bent up a little bit, but now that we put the heat gun to it and we added just a little extra, it's like just a 3M double-sided tape that's kind of meant for this. So there we go. So we're just doing that. And we're adding that just for a little added. On the other side, I got these off of Amazon, and I basically put in the model, but you can kind of see here how there's a little bit of separation. It was a lot more noticeable on the passenger side, but we're going to do the same thing here just to get a really good fit. Like I said, that'll give me, to be able to crack the windows at night without it being visible. So that's what we're working on. I really don't, once again, I don't know, how to get where to get a perfect fit. Like I said, this one piece right here, you can kind of see, let me see if it focuses. You can see it really doesn't make it to the end. So there's a gap there. All right, well, we still ran into a little bit of a defect. We're actually putting this vice grip on there, just really, really lightly. What you could just see when you can't see it now, but without that vice grip, you can kind of see the sunlight over there at the end. Once again, if I can get in here. So right there, you can see, because once again, this doesn't really go where that bend is. You can see, well, this was all sunlight, and then there was still a little bit of sunlight here. So we're just going to leave that on there for a couple of hours until it has a really good grip. We might even put some more heat to it to go ahead and to help it along.